In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments in Microsoft Word document. Let's start by opening your Word document and choosing exactly what you want to comment on. If it's a piece of text, click and drag to highlight the specific words or sentence. If it's an image, click the image once to select it. And if you want to comment on a general spot rather than a specific selection, place your cursor where you want the comment to be anchored. Taking an extra second to make a precise selection helps ensure the comment clearly points to the right content. Next, go to the Review tab on the ribbon at the top of Word. If you're currently on the Home tab or another tab, just click Review to switch over. The Review tab is where Word keeps all of its editing and feedback tools, so it's the ideal place for collaboration and markup. In the Review tab, look for the Comments group and click New Comment. As soon as you do, a comment balloon appears in the right-hand margin. It will be connected back to your selected text, image, or cursor position with a line, so you can easily see what the comment refers to. Click inside the comment balloon and type your note. This can be feedback, a question, a reminder to yourself, or any context you want to share. Aim to be clear and specific so anyone reading the document understands your point without guessing. If your comment references a change or suggestion, include the reason behind it. Clarity now saves time later. If you have more feedback to add, simply repeat the same process. Select the next piece of text or the next object you want to comment on, go back to the Review tab if needed, click New Comment, and type your message. Each new comment will appear in its own balloon on the right, neatly tied to its selection. This structure keeps your document readable and makes it easy for others to follow along. When you're done, save your document to preserve all your work. Saving ensures that every comment stays attached exactly where you placed it, ready for review and collaboration. If you're working with others, a saved document keeps everyone on the same page, literally and figuratively. And that's it. You've learned how to add comments in a Microsoft Word document. Select your content, open the Review tab, click New Comment, type your message, repeat as needed, and save. With these steps, you can provide clear feedback and keep your edits organized and easy to follow.